I want to talk about Dayyūth. Now, this word is used very easily. Oh, I see you, you're a Dayyūth. Oh, he's walking to his wife, you're a Dayyūth. Can we explain to the viewers what a Dayyūth is?
The Prophet ﷺ said in an authentic hadith, there are three whom Allah Azza wa Jal does not look at, does not have mercy, that does not purify, and will torment them severely on the Day of Judgment. Dayyūth, wal-rajila, and the third one, if I'm not mistaken, the one who is an alcoholic. So, Dayyūth, as he explained that to us, the Prophet ﷺ, when they said to him, what is a Dayyūth? He said, he's the man who allows his women folk to engage in illicit and immodest behavior. So the youth is not someone whose wife doesn't wear the hijab.
Yes.
No, not only that. It is something more. Is the one who goes to nightclubs with his wife and doesn't mind his wife dancing with someone else, doesn't mind his wife traveling on a business trip with colleagues, to a resort in 3 days business leisure trip to Vegas. And what happens in Vegas, as we know, stays in Vegas. So he just says, where's your wife? She went to Vegas. Doing what? Magic Mike. So what is this, akhi? This is a Dayyūth. No doubt about it. So the word is a word of insult.
Yes.
You cannot use it with another Muslim unless you are saying to him, may Allah curse you, may Allah do this to you, and this goes back to you. So no Muslim in his right mind would use it.
And if you had to, you had to translate the word. There's something that came up was people would say protective jealousy. Is that the right way to describe it? Is there a better way to translate it?
No, the youth is the one who allows his women folk to engage in illicit and immodest behavior, and he's fine with it.
Yes.
He says, okay.
Oh, sorry, yes. Okay, yes.
So can she have Instagram? Am I a Dayyūth if I let my wife have Instagram?
If she has again, you have to be specific. This is too generic. A woman who's fully niqabi, fully hijabi, modest, has an Instagram account, it does not show her fingernails. Of course she can have it.
Okay.
So, but if you tell me that my woman goes on Instagram showing her abs,
okay,
in a bathroom mirror shot, so, you're a Dayyūth.